Okay, so today we're going over life skills and we are going to learn how to fold some clothes, boys and girls. Now, what is our objective for today? Today, we will learn how to fold clothes appropriately. Now, why is this important? This is important because you can be more organized and your clothes is placed neatly and easily accessible. Now, practice folding kids' clothes folding machine. Let's go ahead and watch this short video, boys and girls. Wow, boys and girls, that was a great strategy to practice your folding. Let's go ahead and continue with our PowerPoint. Now, your turn. Let's go ahead and try. Now, pick up a towel, lay on table, smooth towel flat, grab two corners on top, pick up the corners, fold corners to the bottom edge, smooth out the towel, grab two corners on top, pick up corners, fold corners to the bottom edge, smooth out the towel, move towel to the basket, side, or the closet. Let's go ahead and watch this short video about how to fold a bath towel.
Today we're going to learn how to fold a bath towel. First thing we're going to do is we're going to lay out our bath towel flat on a table. Make sure it's nice and flat. Then we're going to fold it in half from top to bottom. Then we're going to take it, we're going to fold it in half again from left to right. Next, we're going to fold it again in half from top to bottom. And last, we're going to put it into a pile of folded bath towels.
Thank you so much for paying attention, boys and girls. I hope we can practice this at home with our parents and make sure we have everything organized and in place.